Are you looking for the best chain breaker tool for your bike? Then there is no doubt that you have come to the right place. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best chain breaker tool from reputable brands. After very much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. We can only assure you that here you will find the best chain breaker tool with the right quality reviews. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Then why is it late? Let's get started. Number 1. KZNANZN Detacher Chain Breaker Tool. There will be moments in your biking journey that you will break a chain in the middle of the road. If it is the master link that is broken, it will be easy for you to remove and replace it with a new one. If it is the other links, then you will need a bike chain link removal tool such as this product from KZNANZN to remove the other half of the broken link. This chain breaker tool bicycle provides an adjustment feature that will allow you to cut the length that you need without the help of other equipment. Also, if you want to remove a chain link or make some adjustments, this chain breaker tool can do it with ease. It works perfectly and is easy to line up. It will push the chain rivets through easily without having to file the heads off. For its usage, it is actually a two-step chain breaker where it holds the chain link and makes the force work at the center to quickly remove the pin. This feature will make it easy for the start of the initial movement of the link pin. After that, using a simple drift on the drill rod will push the link pin out quickly. This chain breaker tool is so simple and easy to use but quite effective. Number 2. Pro Bike Tool Universal Chain Breaker. One of the outstanding features of a chain link breaker tool is its excellent quality and durability. It is built with a high-quality cast steel body, a chromium molybdenum steel push thread bolt, and an aluminum handle which provides toughness and easy usage. Once you lock a chain link into the feeder shelf, it is going nowhere but breaks. Another outstanding feature of this product is the oversized lever which provides long leverage for easy braking and rechain. When combined with the oversized aluminum handle on the feeder, this T-handle torsion device can produce a spectacular huge amount of torque while popping the chain pins quickly. It is so smooth and powerful that even the stubborn chain link pins cannot handle the power. Meanwhile, this chain breaker tool is 1 to 12 speed compatible, but is not currently compatible with SRAM and KMC 12 speed chains. So, if you have these types of chains, then look for other chain breaker tools to use. Number 3. AZSSMUK Roller Chain Detacher Breaker Tool. This chain breaker tool from AZSSMUK is an excellent choice with its easy usage feature and other superior functionalities. One of the upsides of using this product is having excellent reliability and durability. This chain breaker tool comes with outstanding construction using premium materials, such as high carbon steel and compound strengthening. These materials are known for their strength which should work wonders during the braking process. After all, this product was meant to be crafted with durability and longevity. Another upside in using this product is its usage in breaking the chain. It is so simple that you will only need to cut the chain or remove some parts without using any additional tool. It will work perfectly by providing proper alignment and securing the chain. I also like that it comes with an extra tip, which means that once the original one is no longer as sharp as it is, you can immediately replace it and maintain its effectiveness. It will not eat more space in your toolbox and will be easy to transport. With its quality, you can easily cut the chain into the desired length without any other tools. It is totally hassle-free in cutting the chain. This is an excellent tool if you want to add or subtract links in a bike chain quickly. Also, the replaceable pin is heat-treated and hardened, ensuring maximum strength. Number 4. Park Tool CT 3.3 Bicycle Chain Tool. Repairing the bike chain and replacing the broken one is an easy task if you have a heavy-duty chain breaker tool just like this product from Park Tool. This bike tool provides superior quality construction and top-of-the-line durability and toughness. One of the upsides of using this bike tool is having a professional chain breaker tool for chain sizing and chain link replacement of your bike. It is built with an investment cast steel body that comes with a comfortable vinyl dipped handle. Another upside of using this product is having a strong driving pin that can remove even the most challenging pin in a bike chain. In fact, I have used it in an old and rusty chain before, and it easily pushed out the pin without using pliers or any other tools. It operates very smoothly, and your hand will be comfortable during the chain removal process as it operates as per the expectation. In terms of quality, this product is one of the best. It is built with large handles that make it easier to apply your power in order to break the chain. Another upside is that the pin is actually replaceable, which means if it breaks, you can just buy a replacement pin, and then continue to use this bike tool. Number 5. Oumers Bike Chain Breaker Tool. Once you have a new bike chain, you will need to adjust it to fit your bike using this chain breaker tool from Oumers. This product is universally designed to fit most of the bicycles available. This product is an excellent self-contained chain tool that is elegantly designed so that the loose parts of the chain, which are the chain holder and the alternate pin, will fit into the device itself. It also comes with a hex wrench, a hole found in the handle to easily change the pins. This part of the chain breaker tool will precisely hit the mark on the chain. Also, this chain breaker tool makes the task of chain repair a lot easier. It is easy to use and can do different link sizes. It comes with a part that will be put in a chain link to hold it after removing the links. You will only need to line everything up and push the pin out to remove the chain link. After all, it is comfortable to use in hand and is easy to turn the handle. As an additional bonus, a built-in hook is used for holding the bike chain in place while performing the maintenance activity. It will contain the chain together by pressing the link back to the chain. Thanks for watching my video. That's all from my end. I make helpful and quality videos daily. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, please do check out my description. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Stay updated with our new reviews as it will make your life much easier. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new videos and information. Thank you.